Hi guys, welcome back to the another live stream for the Euro USD. Just a second. All right. EU sales look good. Exactly, I'm also looking for the sales from somewhere. If it tries to break this range kind of this low and somewhere closes below in the lower time frame, so I will be looking for the sales today. Let's see. Let's see on the daily time frame. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. On the daily time frame, if we see that यहाँ हमारी एक डोजी बनी थी and we closed below हमारी ये वाली candle on the 4 hour time frame. Let me just put on my EMA. Right. So on the 4 hour time frame as well, हमने यहाँ से rejection ली है from the premium range of the this higher high and यहाँ पे एक जो हमारा fair value gap बना था bearish, we got rejected badly from this area. So now sales at this point is looking good. Let's see if we can 1920. Yeah, so we need to break below this EMA then. On 1 hour as well we have the structure for the downtrend, but we can see that यहाँ पर एक relative equal highs हैं हमारे kind of this one and this range. तो ये दो liquidity zones हैं हमारे mainly. So let's see. Can you hear my voice? Hello, hello, can you hear? Is it breaking still? Like, I think, um, wait. I think now it will be fine. Now, can you hear? One, two, three. I think it got disconnected in between. That's why. Just let me know if it breaks again, then I will see. Clearly audible. Okay, all right. Thank you so much. So let's see on the 1 hour time frame. हमारा 1 hour time frame, we can see that there's a lot of rejection, and even we are making the low highs and lower lows again. I'm looking for the this area to be break and below. तो यहाँ पे हम एक entry लेंगे on the 5 minutes time frame with a fair value gap. So we're gonna enter on that. Now it's good. All right. Thank you so much. Yesterday we got stopped out because there was a lot of consolidation, but हमने एक छोटा सा ही like stop loss लिया था. That was around um yeah, somewhere right over here. 12:45, yeah. Somewhere right over here हमने यहाँ पे अपना ट्रेड प्लेस किया था, तो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ था. Small, but anyways we have two wins for this week. But look at the price action. I feel like this is not at all tradable because if you see this, it's a lot of wiki structure. Is do we have any news today? I talked to you on Insta yesterday and asked for the prop firm related queries. Okay, yeah, I think so. Just let me know if you have any question related to prop firm or anything you specifically want to ask. Why trading feels so emotional? See, trading isn't emotional, by the way. It's because of you. See, because every decision has a financial consequences, right? And we are so much attached to the consequences of the money, the dreams. That is what creates our emotion. And and that is also one of the reason that trading forces us to confront our fears, our insecurities, our greed, the impatience, ego, all at once. So I think that's one of the reason that we are emotional during the trading, because it allows you to see what things and what things you need to work on. So it's not the market that's it's emotional. It's the way you are reacting to the money, the uncertainty, and the pressure. So trading is more of psychological than technical. That's all. Trading is not emotional, but it's you how you are reacting to it. I explained you in the previous stream as well that when you attach some kind of expectation to the results, you will be emotional. That's because yesterday bank holiday yesterday, so today's London and NY will be good. Exactly. I think we shouldn't have traded yesterday because of that. We should have avoided on the bank holidays. On the previous bank holiday as well, it was a bit not good for the euro. Which instant funding firm is best? As for now, currently I'm working with the funding pips two-step account and taken 3,628 dollars of payout in last 3 months. Now I want to purchase an instant funding account. Um, See, personally, I haven't tried the instant funding account because of its rules and its, equity based drawdowns. We discussed in the, if you have joined the last stream, we were discussing about the instant funding accounts. So it's all about that. Because of the rules, I don't prefer instant funding accounts. But if you want to go, you can go for the blueberries instant funding, the elite one. So I think that is good. Funding pips is good. Funding pips, funding next, these platforms are, I feel they are stable and good. And as well, Blueberry also. But for the instant funding account, what I have heard is instant funding's Blueberry Elite version is good, but personally, I haven't tried that. Do we have any red folder news today? I think, personally, I think that we won't be getting any entry today because of so much of wickiness in the market. Today, Thursday, right? So we don't have any red folder news today. Okay, wait, it's Friday. We have GDPs and card. All right, we don't have any red folder, but we have German Parliament CPI. Yeah, this orange folder, when we have this German Parliament, I've seen that the market gives a little bit of move. So it's all lay. Let's see. Funding pips has consistency rule, which is bad. Funding nest has equity drawdown, which is bad. Exactly. That's why what we were discussing in the last scene, that because of the consistency rule and the equity drawdown, it is a bit tricky to get the funds in it. But if you do it like all instant funding accounts have consistency rule, bro. Except the funding squad, but they have other issues, bro. Right? Funding pips customer support is extremely best. 5 hours is the best. Yeah, 5 hours is also the best. I feel, but if you wanna go, I feel personally the elite one is better. Yes, crypto world, but when to decide not to trade? When you don't know, when you doubt your setup, just don't take a trade then. See, when I don't have a clarity about the charts, when I can't decide whether should I buy or should I sell, when I'm doubting it, I will not take. Simply don't take the trade. When you have no clarity, when you have no direction, and when you don't feel the confidence in taking the trade setup, just don't take any trades then. That's how you will protect your capital. Because if you will be looking the charts with a confusing mind, then it's probably then you will make a kind of mistake, and you will be not be able to journal your trades then. Let's see if we can get any trade setup today. For now, it's a bit consolidating, and the price action we want is not getting us. So, personally, I don't like to trade when we have this kind of wiki range. But if we can get some kind of move below this area, then let's see. I literally got up with your notification. You're the first one to join every day, so now I have a confusion that we have the London kill zone at 12:30, right? 12:30. But according to the daylight time, will it be changed or will it remain same? Because 12:30 according to the previous time zone we have at 12:30. But I feel now it's 1:30. Now I'm confused because of the daylight. Will the kill zone will be changed or not? Though 12:30 is working good, but still for the clarity I just want to know that. Did not brush though. I think you guys should watch the stream carefully with attentive mind. From past 3 days, I'm trying to stream in the New York session, maybe on the Discord or YouTube, but it feels kind of impossible for me to give that much time for the stream. Let's see. For now, there's nothing to see on the charts. It's all wiki. If we can get some kind of move over here. If you are joining the Thieful Club 3 Point Meet in Goa, of course. Most probably, let's see if I'm coming or not. I'm not sure about that. But if I come, we'll meet soon. By the way, what's your name? Are you coming even? You're right on that, but the different is 30 minutes. Difference is 30 minutes, which is minus 4:30 to 5 New York time. So the kill zone volume impacts only for NY time periods, but the kill zone as per the London time is same. Okay. I was reading this on Reddit actually, but I never knew that the kill zone for the London will remain same. So it will change for the New York, right? Okay. So we are good like 12:30 within. We don't have to change the time. My name is Sori Singh and I'm trying if I'm comfortable with the dates. Oh, okay, okay, all right. Yeah, just let me know if you are comfortable with the dates. Then I think you should definitely be coming because it's a very worthwhile event. Even there's one mentor that is Morning Star. If you guys know, he's also coming in the club. USA has the time zone issues because of the geological place, but for the UK and Europe, it doesn't change. All right. Thank you for letting me know. I never knew this part. Let's see. Uh, how do I stop over trading? It's simply if you want to be a good trader, then just stop over trading. We need to learn that we should not take every setup that is forming. If you don't have a strategy, if you don't have a system, you will definitely be over trading. And if you're emotional, then also you will be over trading. So simply, if you want to be a good trader, think, if you really want to be a good trader, you got to stop that, because until you will be over trading, you are making your learning curve very big. That's just a gambling addiction, that's all. Wait for your A plus setup to be formed. Just take twice or thrice in a week. That's all. We need patience more than like trades. So I was looking for that types of event. Will be happy for if possible to join. Of course, we'll be happy to have you even. Definitely, it will be a very good event because there were a lot of like a famous and good traders will be coming. So it's always good to ask and discuss trading and live with them. As USA is above the equator, the near to North Pole, so we can see daylight time issues for the North Pole, Canada and USA. Okay. So like previous daylight we were trading at 11:30, but it worked even us. But I feel like it's more about pre-London session rather than kill zone, I feel. Because 11:30 trade setups were also working good for us. And then we shifted to 12:30. Can you analyze gold charts, please? Gold chart. Actually, I don't trade gold. I am all into the Euro USD. I just avoid trading gold because I'm not good at that. But let's see what we can see in the gold. So on the daily time frame, हमारा जो rejection आई है, that is happened from the प्रीमियम जोन ऑफ द फेयर वैल्यू गैप, यहाँ पे बना था, जो कि हाई था, ऑफ द ऑल टाइम हाई पे बना था. एंड यहाँ से हमारा मूव जो आया था, दैट इज फॉर द डाउनफॉल. हमारा ईएमए ने सपोर्ट लिया यहाँ से. वी हैड अ गुड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द ईएमए. आई थिंक इट वाज 60% और समवट. Yeah, it was 61% का सपोर्ट था. We had a good retracement down here and pull back our above. So let's see. अगर ये कैंडल, वी हैव अ डेली कैंडल क्लोजर जो हायर टाइम फ्रेम पे है, हमारा यहाँ कहीं क्लोज हो जाता है, सो वी विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग कि वी विल हैव अ गुड बुल रन देन. एंड इवन इफ यू सी, जो हमारी डेली कैंडल ओपन हुई है, दैट इज अ नो विक कैंडल. सो व्हेन वी हैव अ नो विक कैंडल, वी नो द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द कैंडल फ्लिपिंग इज हाई. सो अगर ये कैंडल ऐसे ओपन हुई है, सो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग द नेक्स्ट डे की कैंडल होगी, दैट विल कम समथिंग लाइक दिस, like something like this. It will compensate this area, this no wick area, and it will kind of flip towards up. So this is what I can look on the daily time frame. And let's see on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame as well, we are making consistent higher highs and higher lows. And probably, I think it's, let me just put the flip right over here. 61% to 51%, right? If we can retrace to 51% level, हमारा यहाँ पे एक zone है, that is bullish fair value gap. So we can expect some kind of retracement from this area and continues to the bullish side. So मेरा overview for the gold is all bullish. Let's see. Even we have a good liquidity if we see on the 1 hour 15 minutes time frame. This zone, we have a good liquidity down this area. अगर यहाँ से we can look something like this and this maybe for the short time period. Yeah, that's all for the gold. Yeah, 61% level. Let's see if we can get some kind of reversal. Then probably we'll be looking for the bullish side and we'll aim the buy side liquidity that is over here. It's also possible that we can retest right from here because यहाँ पे एक half wick form होगी अगर if this candle closes below then we can expect कि 50 to 61% level तक जाएगा, but until then we can expect कि ये no wick half wick form करके how much is it 11 to 12 around 6, let's see. mm, all right, so 12:30 हमारी candle flip already हो चुकी है. That's great. So 5 minutes. If we can get this fair value gap, something like this. Till this area, something like this. I'm gonna put my sell limit something right over here. It's just 2 minutes अगर हमें ये fair value का बन जाता है, so I'm gonna place my trade from here. Hello, hi, Roshan. Already I'm in the this position, so let's see if we can. All right. So we have 8 pips of stop loss 1.15899 and the TP 15611. This is gonna be the position for now. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can get the full TP today. Should I copy someone else's strategy? See, making your own strategy will gonna take a lot of time, and it's better to learn from somebody. But the thing is that you can't copy discipline, right? You can copy the blueprint, that's all right, everybody's here to learn from each other, it's not copies learning. But the only thing is discipline, maintain your discipline with the strategy. And if you can copy the strategy or blueprint, even you can't copy the psychology. So you need to work on the psychology part and more, you know develop a better psychology. A rest, you can just learn a strategy and you're good to go then. If you don't have a good psychology, no strategy will save you. So you can't copy someone's mindset. That's important part. We have a small liquidity on 1 hour, that is right over here. The buy side liquidity is right over here, and actually we broke a very important zone right over here. We can see that we are now changing the trend, but it's kind of have to break this EMA and we need a move till here. Let's hope that we were not the liquidity from this zone. Gold, gold, देखो. I just have analyzed gold. Go, okay, gold is dropping down. Ooh, what was that? It grabbed the liquidity and it's flipping. Crazy. It filled the whole fair value gap and now it's just flipping. That's the reason that I don't trade gold. Neither I like gold, unfortunately. See, I told you that I will be bullish on the gold for now. If the 4 hour closing happens, something like this right over here, then again we are good to go. See, 38% level we got reject. अगर इसकी क्लोजिंग 61 से ऊपर ऊपर रहती है एंड लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में हमें कोई स्ट्रक्चर चेंज दिखता है then we are good to go for above. But this move was damn crazy. Euro, let's see. 8 somewhere हमने यहाँ पे. If you guys want to book till here, हमारा 8 7 something like this would be 1:1 somewhere I told you. हमारा 1:1 तो यहाँ पे आ ही गया था almost. So if you guys want to book around 1:1 and close to BE, you're free to go that. Rest you can leave for the winners 20 pips. गोल्ड 1 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे देखो 10:39 और 10:54. 10:39 and 10:54. Crazy. It's how gold is looking right now for me. It's looking like a meme coins. What kind of coins are they? That I think it's meme coins, old coins, something like that. It's looking like that. 10:39 or 10:54. 10:39 here. The liquidity grab here 10:54. लिक्विडेट कर दिया इसने सबको, दैट्स ऑल. ऑलराइट, हमारा 1:1 ऑलरेडी आने वाला है. Focus on the winning. Focus on the winner. Focus on the TP. We won't be focusing on the trades that we aren't in. So जिसको भी यहाँ पे बुक करना होगा 70 to 80% and rest for the TP, your field, you're free to do that. Somewhere यहाँ पे हमारा 1:1 यहाँ पे बन जाएगा ऑलमोस्ट. How do you deal with the losses? If you have remember, मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई थी on my YouTube for the journaling. मैंने अपना सारा journal दिखाया था उसमें. So when you have losses, I record them, I study them, why my loss occurred, because of, if it was because of my mistake या फिर क्या हुआ था उसमें, I study them, I write it down, I journal them. And a loss is just a market that is something teaching you that you refused to learn earlier. For example, you ask about the over trading. अब loss क्यों हुआ आपका? Because you never learned how to stop over trading. So it's a loss is just the market teaching you something you refused to learn earlier. बाकी it's all about collecting data, study them, and sit with them. So if you will ignore your losses, that will hurt you more, rather than just thinking about, oh, this happened, that happened. Just collect the data, write it down, write your losses, and think about it. Which mistake did you repeat it? And then you know what happened, then you will have more confidence in you that मेरा लॉस इसलिए हुआ और मुझे ये इम्प्रूव करना है. एंड अगर आप बार बार वो चीज़ लिखोगे ना, तो इट विल बी मोर ऑफ कि आपके माइंड में हो जाएगा कि अब नहीं ये रिपीट करना है. सो वेन एवर यू ओवर ट्रेड इवन, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. That will solve like 50 to 60% of the problems. आपके ब्रोकर में देखो गोल्ड की फीस 10x हो गई. एक बार गोल्ड का चार्ट देखिए, आज मौत ना नाच नहीं हो रहा, आज तो यमराज स्वयं पधारे हैं. See, I'm saved because I don't trade gold. I can look at it and I can make fun of it, that it's looking like a pump coin or meme coins kind of things. Look at it 1 minute. I last time when I saw like the chart something like this, it was like alt coins or meme coins. So it's looking like exactly like that. Now gold is no more gold. There was a time when we were so happy when gold used to give 100 pips of target. Now it's just randomly giving. It's crazy. Now gold is not gold anymore, unfortunately. What kind of movement is this? Did we have any news? No. We have no news. Even then also it's making a move like that. That's why I like my Euro USD. My Euro USD gives me consistently move. At least it doesn't fake out. I think Euro USD touched 1.15544 after some side piece or direct. 1.15544. 1.5544. Somewhere right over here. Might be, but see, the average movement जो हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी की है दैट इज 20 पिप्स. ठीक है, 20 पिप्स रखी है हमने. हमारे लंदन जोन में इतना ही आता है, गिल जोन में 20 पिप्स. सो हम एवरेज लगा के चलते हैं 20 पिप्स. सो एम फॉर दैट. क्या क्या देखना पड़ रहा है, अच्छा हुआ आई एम ब्लाइंड. It's due to CME glitch, technical issues, future market is halted. Alright. Made $800 in gold buy. CME glitch. Wow. You guys are making money in the glitch. Come on. That's crazy. I also want that kind of glitch. That make me $800,000 in the glitch. There's an issue with CME data provider. The system are facing cooling issues at the server. Oh, okay. All right. I didn't knew that. I have demand tap in gold yesterday's NY defining range demand. Glitch made me money. The matrix is now working, guys. Matrix is making us money. There's a quote, something like be the glitch in the matrix, something like that. Now I want to see gold. Now I want to see the gold. But that's so weird. I mean, but I'm happy this glitch made you guys money. So we are in the winning situation for now. Let's see if we can get the move today. Euro USD just takes its time. It takes whole day to complete its move. So we don't have to, worry that it will escalate. Also, if you like the stream, just give me a like. We need a good 4 hour closing. If this closes below this range, then we are good to go till here. Almost. 61% लेवल अगर ये हमारा ब्रेक हो जाता है एंड वी कैन गेट सम गुड क्लोजिंग, तो वी कैन लुक फॉर द रनर्स. Alright then guys, this is already been 154, right? So this is gonna be the position. अगर हमारा TP होता है, sell होता है, I will update you on my Discord. And if you have any question, just you can DM me or you can just write in the Discord channel. This is gonna be the stop loss. This is gonna be TP. And यहाँ पर हमारा 1:1 था. So if you guys wanna book 70% right over here and to the BE, you are free to do. But I personally don't do that because of the nature of the USD. It consolidates a lot before giving a move. So I just let the trade run. That's all. Baki, see you guys tomorrow the same time, 12:30 to 1:30. And let's trade and let's grow together. Just DM me if you have any queries, questions. We will be answering you. And अगर आपके पास कोई trade ideas हैं, you can even post on the trade idea section. And if anybody likes to host the New York session in my Discord, you're feel to do that. You guys can collaborate or you can, you know, do the live streaming. And if I have time, I can join it too. Alright, guys, thank you so much for joining. See you tomorrow at the same time, and we'll be updating you about the trade. Let's trade and let's grow together. Thank you.